Hey y'all, how you doing today? Let's turn this into a fresh sunshine medley. You're going to love it with your barbecue. Now, what do you need to make this wonderful dish? You're going to need some fresh produce out of the garden. Let's look it over right now. You're going to need some green tomatoes, 2 to 3, cucumber, squash, bell peppers, peaches, and a lime. And also, you're going to need some honey and some apple cider vinegar. All of this is going to turn this into a delicious salad. So, or, vegetable fruit medley. You're going to love it. But where do you get the recipe? Come on over here. Where do you get the recipe? Right here in my cookbook. What's Cooking with Dana, y'all? And it's on sale right now on Amazon. And Happiness is Homemade, y'all. It's on sale as well. The recipe is in this cookbook, What's Cooking with Dana, y'all. Or if you want all my recipes and you feel like having it on your iPhone or Android, you can get my app right here. So Fresh Sunshine Medley is coming right up. You're going to love it. Well, y'all, there's not a lot of cooking to this at all. It's a lot of chopping. So you see, I have my green tomato chopped like this. Or you're going to want to cut your fruit and vegetables into salsa sized little pieces, like something like this, so that it will be like salsa. So that's what I'm doing with my tomato right now. And I'm going to chop this up. And some of you are going to say, I didn't know you could eat green tomatoes. You can eat green tomatoes, and they are different and taste different from a red tomato because, they're not, we're used to eating them red. But these right here are very good and tangy. And yes, you can eat them. And they're great in this. They have a really good tartness to them that I love. Love, love, love. So we've just got to get everything chopped up. And we're going to put it in this bowl right here. Move on with it. And this is how I like to do my cucumber. I leave a little bit of green on it because I like the way it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and keep cutting this up. Y'all see, this is a lot of wonderful, good vegetables, fresh produce out of the garden. You got peaches, you've got squash, you've got tomatoes, green tomatoes. It's going to be really tasty here in a little bit when we get all this chopped up. Doesn't that look good? Smells delicious in here. Smells delicious. We're chopping up the peaches. Take a little taste of that. What do you think? Mm, so peachy. It's going to be great in this salad. Look at this beautiful, beautiful colors of these fruits and vegetables, and they're going in my largest dish. And we're going to have a beautiful salad pretty soon. Look at that. Let me move this over here so you can see it. What do you think about that? Beautiful. And y'all, this goes great with any kind of pork dish, any kind of rich dish, and it enables you to use the produce out of your garden or the stuff you picked up at the farmer's market or the grocery store. And I'm telling y'all, it's special. Sometimes I call this, like when I put it in a jar and keep it in the refrigerator, call it summer in a jar. Now we're going to mix up these three things, these two things, honey, apple cider vinegar, and lime. And it's going to be some really good eating. We're going to pour it over it. So, first thing we got to do is find my measuring spoon. Does anybody see it? Where is my measuring spoon? Okay, it's in the cup. All right, we need 2 tablespoons of this. David's videoing. Thanks, David. Just two. Now, y'all, this is a taste as you go situation. So when we get all this mixed up, we're going to taste it after we put it over the fruit and see if it needs extra of anything. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of honey. And I'm going to eyeball the 2 tablespoons. Ooh, David. Oh, there we go. That's about 2 tablespoons, maybe a little smidge more. All right. And then we got to use every part of the lime. And if you don't have lime, use lemon. It's still good. But first, we're going to zest it. So let me get started right here. We're going to zest it, and then we're going to put the juice in it. And y'all, it smells so good. Smells so good in here. It'll just take a minute. I promise. Get you a good little zester. You're on your way to some really delicious food. Yes, indeed. Look at that. All right. We're going to put that in there. Okay, the next thing we got to do is just cut this and juice it. All right. That smells so good. And I got my little juicer here, so I might as well use it. It's going to be tasty. Don't you love stuff like this? It's refreshing. People are going to love this, I promise. You can put chips out beside it or crackers, or you can put it on top of your meat after you cook it. It's really delicious. All right, we just got to stir it up. That's easy to do. Stir, stir, stir. Look at that. All right, we're pouring it over it. Let me pull that out. And y'all, this is really better the next day. So it's really great when you first make it. It's good all the time, but the flavors come together really well after 24 hours. So look at this. Can y'all see how beautiful this is? And if you want salt, you can put salt on it. But if you don't, that's okay too. Just taste the fruit, taste the veggies. What a great way to eat squash, right? And cucumber. You got all that in there. All right, I think I've stirred this up good enough. I have got to taste it. You know, we are the last line of defense against bland, boring food. So let's get me some of this and let me taste of it and see what's happening. See what's happening with this. Ooh, yeah, I got some peach, I got cucumber, I got squash. Mmm, so crunchy. Mmm, 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 mmm. Y'all, this is so good. It makes you happy. This makes you happy. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm, mmm. That's going to go great with my barbecue tomorrow. Look at that. You set this out on the table, they'll get one bite of it and they'll be coming back for more, I promise. Before you serve it, stir it up and redistribute the juices, and you've got a beautiful, beautiful fresh sunshine medley to go with your barbecue. Okay, the good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Have a good day. Fresh sunshine medley is in your future.